What's going on, folks? Bayboybassin here. Man, it is windy out here on the lake. Hopefully we can make it happen today, guys. We are on the lake, man. I got my stuff ready, got the yak paired up right here. We are throwing chatterbait on that new Dobyns Champion XP. We got the ducket rod right here. Shout out to Tulsa Bass Professor, he gave me that. And we got a Texas rig on it, and we have this Megabass Levante. Just an awesome looking rod, man. And we have a swim bait on it, small swim bait, and then we have a swim jig over there, a white swim jig. Trying to switch it up a little bit. I know we got bottom baits, moving baits mostly, because they should be pre-spawn, guys. So let's get it, man. The water's not that cold. It's about, I would say, in the high 40s, 50s. So let's get it, guys. Peace. Your ass over here, boy. Yes. Try to cast at it. That thing is freaking light. Light, Dobyns. This is crazy. Last time I started on the other side of the lake. This time I'm starting on this side of the lake due to, I know there's a lot of grass. A lot of grass in this area, a lot of structure wise in this area. So I wanted to really focus on that. I'm gonna be throwing this moving baits a lot today, just to see if I can get any bites anywhere. Focus on anything, guys, you know. So focusing on these weed patches right here. Wherever this standing timber, you got, like, I don't know what type of plants these are. I'm not gonna act like I know, but you get a lot of grass up in this area, and a lot of these weeds up in this area as well. And I'm focusing on anything that sticks out that the wind is looking like it's blowing on, and trying to see if I can pick up any fish on those areas, you know. Like I said, last time I got my butt kicked at this lake, and today I'm not gonna, it's not gonna happen. I think last time whenever I wasn't catching anything, I just was trying to focus on one specific thing. Today I'm gonna be throwing chatterbaits, I'm gonna be throwing square bills, whatever, any type of lure I can get bit on. We're gonna try to make that happen. Got one. Got one. He knocked slack in my line. Oh, that's a big one too. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. That feels so good. He's about 2 pounds. We're gonna weigh everything today. He inhaled the jackhammer. I got like a blue, some blueness right there. Oh, you're being so feisty, buddy. Ah, he's dancing for us. That's cool. That is very cool right there. He danced for us and everything. There's one out playing, there's more. I can tell you that right now. There's one out playing, there's more. Got one. Got one. Another one, guys. Oh, he spit it. He spit it. That's I'm glad. I want to wreck them in the teeth, man. Kick their teeth in. What they did last time. Oh my gosh, I got hit again. I got hit again. Oh, it might be a really good day today. Might be a really good day today. I'm hoping that. If I'm getting bit on this, no need to freaking switch this lure, right? Got one. That's a big one. That one's bigger. Holy crap. Yes. They're munching. They're munching. Yes, they're munching, guys. They're munching. They are munching. That one's not bigger. He just felt bigger. That wind, you can't really tell, but nice fish though, huh? That's what I'm talking about, guys. Let's go. Nice fish. Let's get it. Yes! Crushing them, man. I'm hoping for a 3-pounder today. 3 pounds, I'm okay with. I can do a 3-pounder. Fish. People ask me all the time, it's like, hey, you can stand up in this? I'm like, hell yeah. I mean, I'm not the lightest guy, but I'm not the tallest guy either. But my point is, I feel like if you weigh 180 pounds, maybe a little bit more than that too, you can definitely do it, man. You can definitely. Oh, I thought that was a bite. Thought that was a mean bite. Got one. Got one, guys. Got another one. Oh man. He's trying to spit it. Oh, get over here. You ain't going nowhere, buddy. You ain't going nowhere. Yes. Hey, man. That's about a pound. Whew. Third fish. I'll take that, baby. I will take that. We haven't been here for an hour yet, guys, and we're crushing them. Crushing them right now. Breaking in that Dobyns rod, guys. Whew, breaking in this rod. I tell you what, they are munching on this bank right here. They are feasting on this bank. I just want a big one, guys. I don't want these small ones. Actually, I take that back, man. I really don't care. As long as I'm catching fish, I'm happy. But I would like us to, you know, get on the big one today. Found us a little pattern, guys. Dude, I haven't really found a pattern in so freaking long. It's crazy. This is why I like having a kayak, because I can come out here on top of the water and crush them, you know, especially on areas you really can't really get to. It's good to have that kayak so you can get to those areas where they're munching at, because this bank, you can't really fish this bank right here. You know, it'd be nice if you can fish it, but with all the trees and stuff, you know, it's just not gonna happen. All right, we caught 3 today. Let's see if we can get 5. We're sitting about, I would say about 4 pounds our bag right now, because that first one I think was a 2-pounder, and then the last 2 has been at least a pound and a half type fish. Nothing big. Man, my reel is squilling. It ain't had that many fish hit it back to back in a long time. She's squilling at me. I got the beef jerky, deli style, baby. You know it. You know we're looking for the big ones. windy, man. Whoa. Nah, I almost felt like I was gonna tip over right there. A little less windier on this side of the lake, so that's why we made that move. I ain't got time to be fighting with no wind, especially in this kayak. So that's a fish right there, guys. No, don't come off. Gotta keep them down. Keep them down. Barely hooked, guys. Barely hooked. Oh, nice fish. Oh, he was barely hooked. Whoo. That's the fish we're looking for today. That's nice. Nice fat one. I'm gonna weigh that guy. I said I was gonna weigh some fish and I haven't weighed none yet, but that's about 2.5 pounds, I would say. A little bit over a quarter. I mean, 3/4. A little bit over 3/4, so 2.86. That's a nice fish. Let's let him go. Thank you, my friend. Go ahead and go ahead. Go ahead and go ahead, baby. Nice fish. Another one. Holy crap. That is a bigger one. Oh my God, get in here. Get in here. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Whoo. That's a nice one right there. Holy crap. That's at least 3 pounds, what you say? Look how they're eating that thing, dude. Holy crap. That's a nice one. I call that 3 pounds all day. Let's try it again. Okay. 2.6. She's a little shorter. She's definitely fatter. Definitely fatter. Look at that nice healthy bass. Look at that nice healthy bass, guys. Oh, she's gone. Yes! We having a freaking bag today, man. I mean, it's a small bag, but hey, it's a freaking bag. They are busting right behind me. They busting shad right behind me right here. See what we can do, guys. There we go. There's another one. Oh, another tank. Another freaking tank. Another good one, guys. Holy snap. Another tank. Another tank. Oh, holy crap. Oh, snap. Another tank. This guy is a good one. Oh, he's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. The 3-pounders are out to play today. Oh my God. Look at that guy. He's about 2 pounds. 2.3. We got 2.3, 2.8, and a 2.6, and then a 1-pounder. There, you know, I think that's a craw, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like a craw. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. I tried to catch him. He's gone. He said, "Trick you." Woo! Guys, man. I think we're at about 6 or 7 fish right now. But we got us a little bag. We're trying to make it a little bit bigger. I caught that 2.6, that 2.8, and a 2.3. And then a couple, you know, a couple 1-pounders or whatever, 1.5 pounders. I would call them a 1-pounder because I didn't measure those, so I would call them 1 pounds even. And yeah, we got this a little bag, you know, 9 to 10 pounds I would say, but let's try to make it bigger and see what we can do, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's freaking smoke them. Another one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, he's almost... He got off. Wow. Oh, he got off. That's my bad. I flipped the reel. I flipped my... I wasn't supposed to do what I just did. That's bad. Bad juju. What's going on, guys? That's going to be the end of today's video. Had a blast out there, man. Caught a nice looking bag, man. Now I would say that, man, but missed a couple fish, caught some fish, and we got it done, guys. This is probably the best day I've had since before the freaking snowstorm we had, or ice, whatever you want to call it. So I'm pretty proud of today, and I'm excited to show this to you guys. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below what you think and how you like this video. Let me know any videos you'd like to see in a you know, future, and we can get that done. This might be my last video in Oklahoma until I get back to my California trip, guys. So appreciate you guys. Let's go, man.